Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 13th. 1917 – First apparition of Our Lady of Fatima. On May 13, 1917, 3 young shepherd children in Fatima, Portugal, claimed to witness a vision of the Virgin Mary. She appeared to them in a field and delivered messages encouraging prayer and repentance. This was the first of 6 apparitions the children reported over the following months. The events drew global attention and became one of the most famous Marian apparitions in Catholic history. Millions of pilgrims visit the site every year. The event is now celebrated as the Feast of Our Lady of Fatima, 1981. Pope John Paul II survives assassination attempt. On May 13, 1981, Pope John Paul II was shot in St. Peter's Square at the Vatican by a Turkish gunman named Mehmet Ali Aka. The Pope was seriously wounded but survived after undergoing emergency surgery. The assassination attempt shocked the world and led to widespread prayers and support. Remarkably, the Pope later forgave his attacker and even visited him in prison. Many Catholics believe he was saved through the intercession of Our Lady of Fatima. 1607, Jamestown, first permanent English settlement, is founded. On this day in 1607, a group of 100 English settlers landed in what is now Virginia and established Jamestown. It became the first permanent English colony in North America. Life was extremely difficult due to disease, starvation, and conflict with Native Americans. Despite the challenges, Jamestown laid the foundation for English colonization in the New World. It marked the beginning of what would become the United States. Today, it is remembered as a key chapter in American history. 1950 – First Formula One World Championship race. The very first official Formula One World Championship race took place on May 13, 1950, at Silverstone in England. The race featured top drivers from around the world and marked the beginning of a new era in motorsport. Italian driver Giuseppe Farina won the race driving an Alfa Romeo. This event kicked off what would become one of the most popular and prestigious racing series globally. Today, Formula One is a billion-dollar sport followed by millions. 1888. Slavery abolished in Brazil. On this day in 1888, Brazil officially abolished slavery by passing the Golden Law Lei Áurea. The law was signed by Princess Isabel of Brazil and freed the last remaining enslaved people in the country. Brazil was the last country in the Western Hemisphere to abolish slavery. The decision was celebrated by many but also created challenges for the newly freed population. This historic step marked a major turning point in Brazilian history. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.